Hey honeycrunchers, I'm Jham and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Today's nail art is in collaboration with Cali from threesixtynails, and we both come up with the theme of pastels and flowers. Okay, so for my base colors, I painted my nails with different pastel shades, and I also added an iridescent top coat. For the floral design, I'm using this stamping plate by Born Pretty Store. Then I'll apply some colors. Then do a couple or more of these with your clear stampers. And here are my clear stampers with the floral design ready to be stamped onto my nails. Now let's stamp. Then after all of that, apply top coat. And that's how it is this look. Don't forget to swing by at Cali's channel 360nails and subscribe. I'll be leaving all of our social media accounts on the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. If you want to have a nail art collaboration with me, just DM me on Instagram or leave a comment below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!